In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix phone hanging issue when you're playing games in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, there are two ways or two methods we can use to fix this issue. Now, in the first method, if this is not a common issue, then go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then head to more here. Under this, go to settings. And then under settings, choose the last option, device preferences. Under this, scroll down until you see reduce motion. You can see currently it is turned off. Now, if you turn on this, it will stop or reduce motion effects while you are using Roblox or playing games on Roblox. However, if the problem has always been consistent, then for this, go back and then exit the app and find where your app is. And then long press on it and choose app info. At this point, you need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see you have quite a number of cache data. And when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. And to solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. And you can see the cache files have been cleared. Go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app and try now using your Roblox app, and this should have fixed your problem. But should this problem persist, then you need to go ahead and now this time around clear all data by tapping on clear data and then choose the first option, clear all data. So by using any of this, now your app should be able to play without hanging. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.